Hi and welcome to our day 5 of our Scottish road trip. It's another beautiful day as we head north from Brora Sands up towards Thurso. Eventually we leave the A9 and follow the A99 towards John O Groats. Eventually we come into Wick, where we can restock with provisions and top up our fuel. Then we head to Noss Head Lighthouse and Castle Sinclair, Girnigoe. It is only a short walk from the car park to the castle. Unfortunately, it was far too windy to send the drone up. We then headed to Duncansby Lighthouse. There is a very busy car park. A very windy walk from the car park at the lighthouse over to the famous Duncansby Stacks, with a lovely large scenic gorge on the way. Unfortunately, far too windy again to be able to send the drone up. We then headed for John O Groats. John O Groats has become very commercialised. But we did stay long enough to take the obligatory pictures of the signpost. Then we went off to our next stop, which was Thurso, another good place to top up your fuel. We were staying the night at Thurso Caravan Park. Quite a basic caravan site. It did have a large shower and toilet block, as well as a cafe on site for breakfast or other meals. There was a lovely view of the beach from the caravan site. And at the end of the day, we did get a lovely view of the sunset from the site. If you enjoyed the video, please give it the thumbs up, maybe leave a comment and subscribe to be notified of any future videos.